Hello and welcome to XRP Zone. Today we're going to discuss the deadly XRP verdict that is finally out. Now, what will happen next? To know all the details, you need to stay with us until the end of the video. But first, before we go into the depths of the video, make sure that you've liked this video and subscribed to the channel so that you know about every video that we post, which is equally as important as all the previous ones. Let's get started with this video and waste no more time. The most recent development in the XRP case could lead to a final decision. The most essential material for the lawsuit was revealed in Ripple's first request for admissions, number 99, to the SEC, which was attached to the latest court filing. Until the complaint was filed, the SEC never told any other parties that XRP was a security, according to the filing. This material has now been admitted as fact in the case. Subject to all the foregoing objections, the Commission admits that before the filing of the case, certain third parties inquired about the legal status of XRP. However, the Commission did not state a view one way or the other in response. The SEC answered to Ripple's request for admission number 29. No seal can protect Hinman as new information refutes his testimony. According to CoinGape.com, SEC's admission contradicts Hinman's deposition, where he testified saying that he had advised Ripple to stop selling XRP because the SEC considered the sales to be a security. Hinman was already standing at the edge of the cliff with speculations regarding his corrupt actions in the context of his 2018 speech. With this latest reveal, Hinman may lose more than the SEC with a final verdict. Recently, a viral article revealed scrutinizing information against Hinman about the controversial 2018 speech. The allegation piece alleged that Hinman's ETH comments during the 2018 speech were thoroughly planned, which then became a factor in Ether's 600% price rise to date. By the end of last month, as the XRP lawsuit saw the court grant motion to seal in both Slack and DPP disputes, questions were raised about sealing parts of Hinman's deposition. The speculations ran wild, alleging that the sealed data held evidence against Hinman for planning and plotting the price surge. Furthermore, it emphasizes that Hinman reportedly consulted with eminent Ethereum Foundation officials and private market participants to generously invest in ETH before the speech. Latest news says that XRP's price has recently seen a decline in volatility after an earlier price hike 3 weeks ago. Its on-chain metric, the market value to realized value ratio (MVRV), could not sustain a positive outlook, hence showing that the token may be undervalued. As a payment service company, Ripple Labs now faces competitive challenges from the likes of Coty, a fintech platform that now offers cross-border remittance service, an area where Ripple has been a major player for some years now. Swift, a leading player in the cross-border remittance business that operates outside the crypto space, now offers a new service dubbed Swift Go to compete with Ripple's fast transactions. As old and new players scale up their services, Ripple may need to struggle to stay relevant in the cross-border remittance sector. Also, not forgetting the ongoing lawsuit of Ripple versus the US SEC and extension of rebuttal report deadline to 12th November. Read on as we shed some light on how these affect the price chart of the XRP USDT, following a top-down view of multiple time frames. The bear trap candlestick signal on 20th September weekly chart confirms a higher trough compared to the 21st June's trough and signals an uptrend. We observe that the bullish momentum is slowly building up, and the likelihood of seeing the XRP USDT reaching the $2 round number resistance before the end of Q4 2021. Well, before the $2 milestone is attained, the XRP price will first have to break above the $1.4151 and the $1.9669 resistance. Also, note that the collapse of the $0.8582 support may transfer the trend direction to the bears, where we may see lower price levels around $0.509. Unlike the weekly time frame that shows a strong bullish trend outlook, the daily time frame, however, appears to be in a correction phase as the price threatens to close below $1.0914 at press time. An RSI value below level 25 should confirm the price floor for the weekly time frame's uptrend, and a price close above $1.869 resistance should trigger more buying pressure. A final view of the XRP price from the 4-hour chart perspective shows the crypto pair trading in a sideways range as the $1.0589 and $1.0171 support hold the price from falling lower after a hidden bearish divergence on 16th October 12 o'clock. A price close below the $1.0171 support could signal a prolonged bearish intraday swing to somewhere around $0.8861 support. We'll have the confidence to take a long position on XRP if we see a price close above the $1.2089 resistance. XRP intraday levels. Spot rate 1.0822. Midterm trend H4 bullish. Volatility low. Support 0.8861, 1.0172 and $1.0589. Resistance $1.2089 and $1.4. SEC inquiry remains a problem. According to investorplace.com, previously the SEC charged Ripple's developers with running an unregulated securities offering. This was surprising as the SEC had generally not intervened in the cryptocurrency market too heavily prior to that action. If cryptocurrencies are viewed as commodities, they would likely not fall under the SEC's purview. However, the SEC claims that Ripple is a security and thus needs to comply with the agency's licensing process. Since Ripple used funds from its offerings to build its operating business, XRP would then be a security. Many analysts expect Ripple to be able to fend off the charges. Regardless, many have been afraid to do business with Ripple until the issue was resolved. Coinbase, for example, stopped trading Ripple on its platform in reaction. Latest developments. Charles Gasparino, a prominent journalist at Fox Business, tweeted out a scoop. He reported that the SEC had offered an explanation for why it is strictly regulated Ripple and not Ethereum. According to Gasparino, the SEC views Ripple's project as a work in progress. Ripple, the organization, is still building its infrastructure, which incurs significant operating costs. Thus, XRP, its token, is viewed as a security which is being used to finance Ripple's operations. By contrast, the SEC views Ethereum's infrastructure as an already completed entity. Ethereum notably had its big design decisions and internal ruptures within its community years ago. Now, new innovation with Ethereum primarily occurs from other developers building on top of Ethereum, but the core asset is largely a finished product. In the SEC's logic, this makes Ethereum tokens a commodity rather than a security being used to finance something. Only time will tell if this justification holds up to broader scrutiny. Gasparino, however, warns that the Ripple case is important to the SEC in its effort to gain and maintain jurisdiction over enforcement and cryptocurrency cases. Keep in mind that other organizations such as the Commodities Future Trading Commission also may wish to regulate cryptocurrency. So there's a potential turf war here, and it looks like Ripple is caught up in that. XRP verdict. There's a lot of complaining on social media about how Ripple is being uniquely singled out for regulatory oversight. There have been all sorts of shenanigans in cryptocurrency in 2021. We've seen hacks, rug pulls, pumps and dumps, and a whole lot more. Within Ethereum itself, people have gotten burned, and some of the platform's newer decentralized finance applications. So, on the one hand, there's certainly a reasonable argument that XRP has been overly punished within the cryptocurrency arena. However, this sort of thing tends to happen in fast-emerging new sectors of the economy. Rightly or wrongly, XRP has ended up stuck under the regulatory cloud. And until that potentially changes in 2022, look for XRP to continue to struggle compared to other leading cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful, and that was all from our side today. If you liked this video, make sure that you've given it a big thumbs up if you haven't done it already. And in case if you haven't, given it a like in order to support us. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that either. And see you guys soon.